Alright people, it's been a while. In this video I'm going to show you the custom mounts that I made for the International. It's got the 14 liter or 855 Cummins big cam engine in it. And of course the mounts, original mounts were shot and very difficult to get new ones. So I ended up getting the round, general round rubber mounts like that from Princess Auto, and I actually got. Obviously, this is quite a bit stronger than it used to be. Than the original ones. They used to be really thin, especially in the bottom. They used to be half this thickness, so I had to change out the bolts as well. But I was thrilled that they had 316 stainless steel bolts. These are 5/8. It has to be 5/8 because of the hole at the top. I had to custom make the nylon bushings for the middle here to go in between these, so that the bolts don't, the whole engine doesn't wiggle around this way. And yeah, and then over here put some stainless bolts in as well. These nuts here at the bottom, I had to put nylocks that doesn't come loose, and unfortunately those aren't stainless. Here's where we're at. Unfortunately, the one in the back, that mount I couldn't put the bottom one in because it's unfortunately this part here of the starter motor doesn't give me enough clearance, so I just left it without a mount on that side, just the top one, as you can see, not a bottom one. But the bottom one doesn't matter too much because the engine doesn't bounce up much at all. It's just more the weight going down that this really supports the weight of the engine. So the top one is what really matters. So yeah, so on that back one there, I had to put a smaller bolt in. Luckily I had the last 1/2 inch bolt, and you can kind of see the nylon bushing right in the middle there. Kind of see it. Just the little edge around the washer. So hope this helps. This is a 3-inch diameter, by the way. And yeah, 3-inch diameter rubber vibration, anti-vibration pads, I think that's what they call it.